Hey guys, what's going on? So we're gonna open up some more cards today. Got from Steel City Collectibles. They send them to me single packs, a bunch of them in a Ziploc bag like this. So I'm gonna order them. They're Panini 2015-16, 8 cards per pack. KD on the cover when he was with OKC. Probably not gonna open the whole thing right now. We'll see how many packs are going to open. Let's open half of the bag. So, how many do we have here? We got 8 plus 5, so it's like 26 packs per bag. So we're going to open up 13 right now. It's pretty exciting. Kyle Korver. Son Whiteside, Ryan Anderson, Steven Adams, Nerlens Noel, Jonathan Simmons, DeAndre Jordan, Michael Carter Williams. I don't know how much I really like the look of these cards. I'm not sure what to expect also as far as, I don't think I'm getting any autographs or anything, but I guess hopefully we'll get some rookie cards. Chris Middleton, Kenneth Reed, Derek Favors, Robert Covington. Oh, we got a rookie here. Oh, and it's a jersey card and it's an autograph as well. Unfortunately, it's RJ Hunter, who I'm not sure who he is or if he's even in the NBA still. So, okay, hopefully we get more such cards like this from better players. But, okay, we got that. Kelly Oubre Jr., Alfred Payton. Wondering actually if that's an Alfred Payton rookie card. No, it's rookie in 2014. Another Kyle Korver, another Hassan Whiteside. Okay, interesting. Let me go to a different pack. Try to get this one open. Nope. Maybe from this side it's easier. There we go. Another Alfred Payton, Damari Carroll, TJ Warren, Paul Pierce, Shaquille O'Neal. Feels like kind of a thick card. Whoa. Kaboom. That's pretty lit right there. I guess this is the front. Darren Hilliard, Contavious Caldwell-Pope, Avery Bradley, and what in the world is this? Okay, just a blank card. Alright, rare. Maybe I should open these before the video because taking time to open. Yeah, this is not making for good TV at all. Oh, this one. Get that one open. Wrong side, maybe. Okay. Nikola Vucevic having a very good season this year. Kevin Garnett, wow. Alec Burks, Kelly Oubre Jr. again, Jared Jack, Amir Johnson, and Jeremy Lin. This is pretty crazy. These packs are just not forgiving. I'm gonna try to get a knife real quick. There we go. Marcus Aldridge, Otto Porter, another Steven Adams, Nerlens Noel again, Carmelo Anthony, Frank Kaminsky, Avery Bradley, and Brandon Knight. I think there's a thick card in here. Nikola Vucevic again. Jeff Teague. Just got one of those blank cards. Bojan Bogdanovic, Jose Calderon. Alright, nice Dirk. Andre Drummond. Jimmy Butler. Another Jarrett Jack. Alright, so we got a few All-Stars there. Go back to the knife. The knife is going to be the go-to right now. CJ McCollum, Dion Waiters, Harrison Barnes, Greg Monroe, Marcus Morris, Jonathan Simmons, that might be a rookie, Eric Gordon, Trevor Ariza. See how many more packs you could get open. I don't want to have the video be too long. Hoping for a couple more special cards. Tyson Chandler, Rajon Rondo, Joe Johnson, Isaiah Thomas, Jordan Clarkson, Norman Powell, Trevor Ariza, James Harden. Anytime you could get one of the top 5 or 10 players in the NBA, even if it's not a special card, you know, like James Harden, Steph Curry, LeBron. How about this? One of the top 10 greatest players ever, Kobe Bryant, Brandon Knight, Mike Conley, Zaza Pachulia. We got a special shiny card over here, Kevin Love, Joe Young, CJ McCollum, and Dion Waiters. I was hoping it was going to be Westbrook at the end, but it's only Dion Waiters, folks, who just can't stay healthy. Monte Ellis, Alan Crabb, Derek Favors, Zaza Pachulia, another special shiny card here. And it is that Ben Wallace? Yeah, Ben Wallace. What? He was in the league at that time? Wow. Norman Powell again. Kevin Durant. There we go. Alec Burks. Alright, guys, we got 3 more packs to get through here. I mean, I know we're all having a great time, so no rush. Isaiah Canaan, Lance Thomas, Jonas Valanciunas, Jimmy Butler. A couple duplicates here. Another Jarrett Jack. Jeez. This is just a thick card just to fool everybody in the middle of the pack. Omri Caspi, Marc Gasol, and another Dirk. That's a different one from the first one I had in this video. Alfred Payton, another Kyle Korver, it's duplicate. Damari Carroll, TJ Warren, another Paul Pierce, the same one as before. Hello. Oh, I thought it was going to be Jaylen Brown for a second. It's D Brown. Okay, not as good. Paul George, alright, we'll take that one. Derrick Rose, we'll take that one as well. And last pack here as we approach the 10-minute mark. We got Tristan Thompson. Hello, LeBron James. Danilo Gallinari. Nikola Mirotic. We got another special card. Andre Drummond, so another Pistons one. And we got Jerry and Grant. Luol Deng. And the final card for today is Tyreke Evans. Alright, fellas. Didn't get a great jersey rookie autograph card. It's pretty cool. It was all 3 in one card, but nobody that I've even heard of. We got a couple all-star players, a couple nice shiny cards, but nothing too special. Hopefully get better ones next video. Have a great one.